Friends, on behalf of my personal self and on behalf of all of you people who have attended this level 1 and 2 courses here, I would like to thank you very much, sir,
Yes,
for your
welcome,
time
my pleasure.
and for your experience. It was really a turning point in our life. It is going to be a turning point in our life. We will certainly imbibe all the confidence which you have put in us, and we will try to come to your expectation. And whatever you said about your class, every step, every move we have enjoyed. And it's a teacher and student relationship we have maintained, not the age and other side. We are very thankful for your thing. And I would like to place on record special thanks to Nadeem, Sohail, and the hotel staff who have given us good lunch and refreshments. And on behalf of all of you once again, thank you very much.
Oh, thank you very much. I told you, pleasure is always mine. Yes, I really enjoy teaching. It is not my profession. You all know. My profession is I work in a private company. It is my passion. It is not my livelihood. So most of the parts is going either expenditure part or organizing part or ISA part. See, even the fees which I am charging, it is the lowest as compared to the content. Lowest. All over India I am charging the lowest fees. If you compare the content. Because it is not my profession, it is my passion. So I enjoy every moment in the class. Every moment in the class I enjoy. And I also expect that if you become good Sujok ambassadors. How you become good Sujok ambassadors? By applying the Sujok in a proper manner. So if you have still some lack of understanding, try study. Study a lot. And then I already explained how to take my help. In WhatsApp group, put in some messages, WhatsApp message, put in some email, or talking to me after 10 o'clock for your guidance of your patient. So I am ready to help you in that manner. So, but again, some effort should also come from your side. So give a good name to the society. It is your responsibility. It is not my responsibility, because now you are also part of the Sujok family. So it is also your responsibility to give good name to Sujok and impress people, and also motivate and encourage people to learn this beautiful method, so that we can achieve the idea and dream of every family one Sujok therapist. So this is the ideal of Sujok association. Every family one Sujok practitioner. So if you like these classes, you recommend your people and near and dear people, friends, family members, and you can contact me or the team, everybody, so that we plan that process only like this. We are not doing any advertisement. Only word of mouth is exact advertisement. So if you like it, surely recommend the people to attend this course. Okay, anybody want to share their some views, they are welcome. Yes, anybody can come and share.
Actually, I don't know what to start. I am a modest student of RTU, and I learned from Kothari and Master Kothari and also Mohan Chandan. Since 15 years I am practicing and enjoying Suju. Why I tell you it is, I request you all to become ISA member. That is most important, because we can get a recognition from WHO. Because already WHO recognized about yoga. Yesterday's Modi's yoga camp. And Reiki is also heard, it has been recognized by WHO as an alternative therapy. I would like to request you all, if you become an ISA member, we as Master Tour, we should have more membership throughout the world. We need minimum 5 lakh or something registration, membership. Then only we can get recognition from WHO. Once WHO recognizes, you all become a good therapist. Even the hospitals will call you, and you can treat people in even the ICU patient or in the ward patient. Like that, we can have a rights to do the healing. That is what I am feeling, because since 15 years I am trying, but it is not coming out in the open. And many people, they are not aware of Sujok. Please tell your friend, because I am experienced when I tell something about Sujok. What is Sujok? What is Sujok? They are asking.
Madam, does WHO approves based on the
No, it is not a matter of discussion here. It is
Now,
just
that
very
is in higher level, it is going on.
If
Because
you have any question, you can ask me.
no, sir, you
the
can.
topic comes about WHO, so the
No, I wanted that Sujok should also be recognized by WHO.
Yes,
Because we had one World Congress.
is not a recognized authority, but WHO in principle accepts some system. If WHO is accepts some system in principle, other national governments are easily adopting
Or
it.
even government
It is
level it has.
anything.
Anything. So I request everybody should get that ISA membership that is a must. When you learn first and second level, please register your name as
And also
ISA
when you
member.
have this opportunity, you can make revision also. Because first time I already told you, many things are missed in first time. So if you have the opportunity, here also many people are revising. So you can also revise level 1, level 2.
Don't think it is for the local or for my own self like that. You think in a broader perspective and because people are trying very hard to this is a very effective method that I can tell. Because I am using for myself, my family, and you don't believe I am plus 70, but today also I don't have any joint pain. And last 6 months back, only one thing Master Kothari has put me for that one sciatica vein. It was pulling me since a long time. Then it has done it like anything. Till today I didn't get that sciatica pain.
John Suzuki class 1 application.
One application.
Only one application.
One more thing I would like to say, sir. I went to Bhutan trip last month. I was there for 8 days. In Bhutan, it is a hilly track. Very well, you have to climb and get down, climb and get down. In a day, I have climbed some 200 steps and 200 steps I have come down. But not even a single pen. That is due to... It is my experience. I am not telling anybody. You try, but don't forget you have learned Sujo. Please try on yourself. Thank you.
Anybody else? Yes, anybody can come. More than you, anybody. And you can also speak negative, no problem. Not yes. Anybody, if you have such an idea, anything is welcome. Anything is welcome.
See, I wanted to learn Sujo to some names. So I had to go to Chennai initially. As Madam said, there was only one lecture in South India. But we have been greeted and we have been so lucky, really lucky to have Ashokji here coming all the way from Jaipur to teach us Sujo. Sujo, everyone knows it's a very simple, very effective, cost effective and fastest results I've seen. I'm basically a pediatrician, but I should
Yes, I wanted to introduce that he himself is a medical doctor. He is a medical doctor and his experience matters more than any other else. Apart from this medical practice, he is using Sujo.
90% of my consultation has now shifted to Sujo. I'm getting wonderful results and Zone is the best of all the Sujo findings which I have seen. As Sir said, one application for sciatica. I have seen in the videos so many times all this TCM and all this acupuncture. I have seen the needling and all those things. Here we just put one single magnet either on some UB or GB or V4 or whatever it is. Your consciousness will help, and I have seen wonderful results not only for sciatica, frozen shoulders. I have seen wonderful results even for migraine. I have seen wonderful results for obesity. I have seen wonderful results for many other conditions. So please, all of you practice. How do you practice? That is the main thing. Practice on yourself. You are the patient yourself. Every morning till night, you always come across some condition within yourself. We are never perfect. We always keep changing. The change is always there. So we have to change for the good. So what is the goodness in ourselves? We have to bring that out. So we have to bring out our emotions. We have to control our emotions. We have to work on our superior. That is mental, physical and emotional. All three levels definitely Sujo will help. So, and you cannot find any person being so fluent, so easy and so expressive. You have seen him laugh like a child, you have seen him cry like an old person, you have seen him sing, I don't know how he does all those things, but we enjoy left and right. And definitely there is so many negatives. All the negatives will be thrown out of the door as soon as we meet him. And his beautiful smile always makes me come again and again. He always says, why is that only on the last day I want to see you? Because we have to express ourselves. We can see all the joy within you. All the 4 days, 8 days, whatever this thing is there. You have to take on the good. So that is what I want. And I want to bless him with more health, wealth, and all the wishes in God.
I should go in Mumbai, in film industry, to make a career there. He says that I do everything. So I'm thinking, why should I come here? I go in the film industry to become an actor there.
Friends. At the outset, I would like to thank Guruji for the excellent manner in which he has conducted the classes. In fact, I've been wondering sometimes, when the subject is so vast, the speed with which he goes and teaches everything within the time is itself amazing. That has really amazed me. And I thought if it had been any other person apart from Ashokji, what would have happened? Maybe he would have treated us. Instead of teaching us, half of us who might have fainted. That is how I've been looking at it. We thank him from the bottom of our heart. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Just to start like that, whenever I am attending Kotariji's classes, I am getting full of energy and I am going home. Immediately after 10 days, I am feeling that energy in my body. So here so many energy flowing is very flow and we are getting it. There's no other thoughts. Everybody, I think everybody is getting that energy here. Thank you.
Okay, anybody? Yes. If you want to share anything, welcome.
There are no words to express love, gratitude, sir. Thank you, sir.
First of all, I'm thankful to Ashok Kotanji. I'm from Nizamabad. I'm from Telangana. I'm a teacher working in some high school. And it is useful for me to teach my students even. First of all, I try to practice corresponding, draw the corresponding area and all the forms of the students first. And then I will try to create interest among them. And already I am so familiar to Homeo. And also last 2 years back I attended Ayurvedic agriculture. I am trying in aspiration level. But now I am familiar with Suzo and I am trying to practice in it. I will definitely send some Suzo to candidates to learn it. And I will try to attend the next level class also. Thank you very much.
Okay, so nobody is coming then.